Card widget. The card widget in Flutter is a versatile and visually appealing container that can be used to display content and actions related to a single subject. It typically has rounded corners, a slight elevation, and a shadow effect, which creates a visually distinct area on the screen. This widget is commonly used to present information in a structured way, such as user profiles, product listings, or news articles. The card widget can contain various child widgets, including text, images, and buttons, allowing for flexible and creative layouts. You can customize the elevation, shape, and color of the card to fit the design aesthetic of your application. For example, a higher elevation can create a more pronounced shadow effect, making the card stand out more prominently on the page. Additionally, the card widget is often used in conjunction with other layout widgets, such as list view or grid view, to create scrollable lists of content. In terms of accessibility, the card widget can be equipped with features like tap gestures and semantic labels, enhancing user interaction and improving the overall user experience. This makes it particularly useful in applications where user engagement is crucial, such as e-commerce platforms or social media apps. Moreover, the card widget supports various customization options, allowing developers to apply borders, padding, and margin settings. The integration of various UI elements within a card, such as images, text, and action buttons, enables developers to create rich and informative layouts. The ability to handle gestures, such as tapping or swiping, allows for interactive and dynamic content presentation, making the card widget an essential component in Flutter's toolkit for building modern, visually engaging applications. Column widget. The column widget in Flutter is a powerful layout widget that arranges its children vertically in a single column. It is part of the core Flutter layout system, enabling developers to create flexible and responsive user interfaces. The column widget can contain a variety of child widgets, such as text, image, or other layout widgets, and it allows for comprehensive customization in terms of alignment, spacing, and sizing. One of the key features of the column widget is its ability to control the alignment and spacing of its children through properties like main axis alignment and cross-axis alignment. These properties allow developers to define how child widgets should be aligned along the main axis, vertical, and cross-axis, horizontal. For instance, setting the main axis alignment to main axis alignment.center will center the children within the available space, while main axis alignment.space between will evenly distribute them, creating dynamic and engaging layouts. Another significant aspect of the column widget is its responsiveness. By utilizing properties like expanded and flexible, developers can control how much space each child widget occupies within the column, allowing for fluid designs that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. This is particularly important in today's multi-device ecosystem, where apps must function seamlessly on both mobile and tablet screens. The column widget is often used in conjunction with other layout widgets to create complex user interfaces. For example, it can be nested within a row widget to create grid-like layouts or combined with a list view to create scrollable lists. Its flexibility makes it a favorite among developers, as it simplifies the process of building rich and interactive UI components. Moreover, the column widget supports various accessibility features, allowing developers to ensure that their applications are usable by everyone, including those with disabilities. By properly managing focus and navigation order, developers can create intuitive experiences that cater to a diverse user base. Sized box widget. The sized box widget in Flutter serves as a simple but powerful tool for creating fixed size boxes in your layout. It is used primarily to control the width and height of its child widget, allowing developers to impose specific constraints on the layout. This can be particularly useful in scenarios where precise dimensions are needed, such as aligning UI components or creating spacing between elements. One of the primary use cases for sized box is to create fixed gaps between widgets. By specifying a width or height, developers can ensure consistent spacing in their layouts, enhancing the overall visual appeal and readability of the application. For instance, using a sized box with a height of 20 pixels between two text widgets can help maintain a clear separation, improving the user experience. The sized box widget can also be utilized to create empty spaces in a layout where no visual element is needed. This allows developers to fine-tune the appearance of their user interfaces, providing the flexibility to manage layouts without the need for additional widgets. By using sized box to control spacing and alignment, developers can create clean and organized designs that guide the user's eye and improve navigation. In addition to its spacing capabilities, sized box can also wrap a widget to constrain its size. This can be useful when you want to ensure that a child widget does not exceed certain dimensions. For example, wrapping an image widget in a sized box can prevent it from growing too large, maintaining a consistent layout even when the image source varies in size. The simplicity of the sized box widget, combined with its utility in creating structured and visually appealing layouts, makes it a fundamental part of any Flutter developer's toolkit. Its ability to provide spacing, alignment, and size constraints contributes significantly to the overall effectiveness and efficiency of Flutter applications. Text widget. The text widget in Flutter is one of the fundamental building blocks of user interfaces, designed to display a string of text with various styling options. It is highly customizable, allowing developers to specify font size, color, weight, and style, making it a versatile option for presenting information in a visually appealing way. One of the key features of the text widget is its ability to handle rich text formatting. Developers can use the text span and rich text widgets to create complex text layouts that include different styles within the same block of text. This is particularly useful for applications that require varied text presentations, such as advertisements, promotional materials, or user notifications. The text widget also supports localization, making it easier to create applications that cater to a global audience. By using the INTL package and the Material App widget's localization features, developers can provide translations and format text according to different cultural norms, enhancing the accessibility and user experience of the application. In terms of responsiveness, the text widget adapts to different screen sizes and orientations, ensuring that text remains readable across devices. Developers can specify text scaling factors to adjust the size dynamically, which is especially important for accessibility purposes. This helps create applications that are inclusive and usable by individuals with varying visual abilities. Moreover, the text widget can incorporate various properties for text alignment and overflow management. By using properties like text align and overflow, developers can control how text behaves when it exceeds the available space. This ensures that the text remains legible and visually pleasing, even in constrained environments. Overall, the text widget serves as an essential component in Flutter applications, providing developers with the tools needed to present information clearly and effectively while maintaining a high level of customization and accessibility. Icon widget. The icon widget in Flutter is a simple yet effective tool for displaying graphical symbols or icons within your user interface. Icons are an integral part of modern application design, providing intuitive visual cues that enhance usability and improve the overall user experience. The icon widget allows developers to easily integrate a wide variety of icons from different icon sets, including material icons, Cupertino icons, and custom icons. One of the primary advantages of using the icon widget is its scalability. Icons are vector-based graphics, which means they can be resized without losing quality. This is particularly important in responsive design, where different screen sizes and resolutions must be accommodated. Developers can specify the size of the icon widget using the size property, ensuring that it fits perfectly within the overall layout. The icon widget also supports various customization options, such as color and semantic labels. By changing the color property, developers can easily match icons to the application's color scheme, enhancing visual coherence.
The end.